My name's Professor Andrew Cobley. I work at Coventry University, where I'm a professor, and I'm the principal investigator for the whole project, and I also lead one of the work packages, Work Package 4. Well, the work with designers, that's the first time that's happened. I've led several projects in the past, but they've always been either all materials or electrochemistry or chemistry, but not involving designers, so that's very new. As I said, I've led projects in my specific subject area before, but not with design. And what that means is that when you lead a project in your own area, if there's a problem in one of the other work packages, you can often step in and help out. But when there's a work package that is on design and there might be issues, it's very difficult then to actually step in. So that's taken a different way of working, and that's been a challenge. I think it has, yeah. I think designers have proved to be very open-minded. They've taken on board the different ways that engineers and chemists and scientists work, and that's helped us get beyond that challenge. And I think also that we had some workshops where we tried to develop materials and design, and I think the way they worked in that and the way their approach to that really helped us overcome that challenge. I think really we couldn't achieve the objectives we're aiming for. We're trying to produce assistive technology for older people, and this really wouldn't happen if we didn't have design. We would perhaps produce metallized textiles, which is more on the scientific side, but then actually applying them to real products would be difficult without the designers involved. Well, I think it's central really to this whole project. What we wanted to do was to produce assistive technology projects for older people, but not just products that we thought they wanted. We wanted to make projects that they wanted, and so that was really important to get their views and ideas and their opinions on what they really wanted from that assistive technology. And without co-design, that wouldn't have happened. I think, we're halfway through now. I think I'm really excited with the prototypes we've already made. You know, when I see them and I see them in development, it's really great because, I was there at the beginning, before the beginning of the project when I was writing the proposal, and seeing that turned into reality, into real products, is fantastic, and that's really gone beyond probably my expectations. I think the way a lot of funders now are thinking, they like to see cross-disciplinary working. So you have to bring in people from different disciplines. Working with designers it's been a really good experience for us, and I'd certainly be very open-minded to doing that again. It's been really good. I mean, we hadn't worked with Getz before this project. Again, they were part of the design team, and Cobley in particular was leading the design management. So that was a real unknown area of the project. So, I didn't really know how that was going to come out, and it's turned out really well. So my experience working with Getz has been very good. I think the products that we've come up with in the end have been very, very different to what we thought they would be at the start. Obviously because we wanted to go through this co-creation process, we didn't want to be too prescriptive about what we were going to get out at the start of the project. And the actual products we've now finished with are really good and very exciting. and GEDS have been part of that right through with the design management.